To clean or replace the strainer on your V20, turn the pump off and disconnect the pump from power. Using a 6mm hex wrench, remove the strainer access cover. Then use an O-ring removal tool and a flathead screwdriver to remove the O-ring and check valve strainer assembly. Inspect for damage or clogs. Clean the strainer with a soft bristled brush and solvent. If the strainer is very dirty, compressed air may be used. If the strainer is damaged, replace the assembly. If replacement parts are needed, they can be ordered through our website by scanning the QR code on the side of your pump with your smartphone. Before reinstalling, coat the O-ring lightly with grease. Then reinstall the strainer, O-ring, and strainer access cover. Ensure the O-ring is properly seated before tightening securely. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing GPRO.